What if you could fly a lightweight drone with an 8K camera, GPS tracking, and up to 3 kilometers of control range? Sounds like a professional drone, but at a much more affordable level. Today on Caring Guy, we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo GT8 Drone, a foldable GPS drone packed with dual cameras, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance technology. Let's see what it can really do. Inside the box, you'll find the Lenovo GT8 quadcopter, a remote controller with a built-in 4.3-inch display, storage carrying bag, memory card and card reader, USB charging cable, spare propellers, and the user manuals. The drone features a compact foldable design, making it easy to pack in your backpack for travel or outdoor filming. Folded, it measures around 13 by 8.9 centimeters, and when unfolded, it reaches about 28.5 centimeters wide. The Lenovo GT8 drone is designed with durable ABS plastic and a lightweight frame, weighing about 177 grams. This lightweight design helps in portability and may also avoid certain drone registration requirements in some regions. The drone is powered by 1503 brushless motors, which provide smoother flight, stronger wind resistance, and longer motor lifespan. It also includes obstacle avoidance sensors, helping the drone avoid collisions during flight. One of the biggest highlights is its dual-camera aerial system. The drone supports 4K, 6K, and even 8K camera options, paired with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. With EIS, electronic image stabilization, your footage becomes smoother and clearer. The front camera can also adjust its angle, allowing you to capture wide landscape shots, overhead perspectives, and cinematic aerial footage. Plus, the drone supports gesture photography, letting you take photos or videos with simple hand gestures. The Lenovo GT8 drone comes with several smart flight features designed to make flying easier. These include GPS positioning for accurate navigation, optical flow hovering for stable flight, altitude hold mode for smooth hovering, custom route flight where you draw a path in the app and the drone follows it, and of course, headless mode, which makes controlling the drone easier for beginners. The drone uses a 3.7-volt 1300 milliamp battery, giving you around 15 to 20 minutes of flight time. Charging takes about 90 minutes. And thanks to 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology and 5G Wi-Fi FPV, the drone can reach an impressive remote control distance of up to 3,000 meters. That's quite impressive for a drone in this category. Overall, the Lenovo GT8 drone offers a great mix of features: 8K dual camera system, GPS positioning and smart flight modes, brushless motors for stable performance, obstacle avoidance technology, lightweight foldable design. Whether you're a beginner pilot or a drone enthusiast, this drone provides a solid aerial photography experience. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and turn on notifications for more tech and gadget reviews. And let me know in the comments, what would you film with this drone first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.